my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you are new here, hey girl, my name is Chantenique and obviously this is my YouTube channel. Y'all, I missed y'all. I haven't done a sit down video in so long. Wedding planning and life has just been lifing, and girl, it's been real ghetto. I have something really special. I have a nice gift that I got, and I figured I could kick my sit down videos back off by filming an unboxing. My birthday was September 17th. And my fiance gifted me with something that was on my wish list for quite a while. Y'all, I didn't expect a gift at all, just because wedding planning, girl, it takes all of our coins. I haven't even been able to buy myself anything nice. But yeah, he bought me a nice gift that was on my wish list. Obviously, I opened it at that very moment. I do have a birthday vlog showing that. So if you haven't checked that out, I'll put it right here on the screen. Girl, I got the gift, opened it on that day. It fit, but it like fit. Like it wasn't bangling like it's supposed to bangle. And I know I done gained a little weight. So I ended up taking it back to Hermes and getting the bigger size just because I want some bangle with a bangle. And figured I could just film an unboxing. So it's been sitting upstairs in my closet for almost 3 weeks at this point. That's how busy I've been. But I wanted to just come to you guys and share the unboxing of my Hermes Clic H bracelet. So if you are interested in getting all the deets on this bracelet, keep watching. Alright girl, so obviously y'all see the bag. It come in the bag. We have an Hermes store here in Atlanta, and so I just popped in the store and exchanged it. Obviously the receipt, authenticity stuff, and then this is the bracelet. Oh, it's the orange box for me. Ain't it so cute? It's the little bow, it's everything. It's so cute. We're gonna go ahead and open it. We know Hermes likes to have these really tight fitted boxes. Like it's hard to open their stuff. There we go. And it has the sleeve on it. It also comes with the little booklet, and here we are. Here we are. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. This is the Hermes Clic H bracelet in the size GM. The color is Maroon Glacé and it retails for $620, and I absolutely love this. It's really the color for me. This is like my speed. I have a lot of gold jewelry, but I'm trying to get in the silver, so I got the silver hardware really just to match my ring. And baby girl, this is worth every penny. Every penny. It's so just beautiful. You could tell that it's quality, it's heavy. All right, so to put it on, we're going to squeeze, lift up the H and put it right on our hand. Squeeze to close and clasp the H back. And this is what I was saying when I meant the other one didn't move. You see how this bangle is bangling? My other one wasn't bangling. It was just kind of here. So the GM is a much better size for me. I do have like bigger arms, but yes ma'am, I am planning to stack this with the Cartier Love bracelets. I'm not sure if I'm going to stack it with one or two, but yes. This is like happiness on my wrist, okay? This is giving everything that it's supposed to give. So yeah, I'm super happy with this purchase, really with this gift. So shout out to my fiance because he did that. And yeah, this is it. This is what y'all want to see. This is what it is. I do know that people have a lot of these in different colors. Probably not something that I would personally do. I like to just kind of mix up the bracelet. So if you wanted to stack this without, like, if Cartier is a little bit like woo, because we know Cartier is a little on the expensive side, you can get the Louis Vuitton bracelets and stack with it. You can get a really nice watch and stack with it, or you could just really wear it by itself. Like, I think it's so perfect that it's a statement piece. You could just wear it by itself. But I am so glad that he got this item from my wish list. I'm so glad this item was on my wish list, and I hope that if you were on the fence about purchasing it, this review gave you everything you needed to know, all the information that you were looking for. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for this one. Make sure you stay tuned for more. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all next time.